Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 17th of April 2021. First question. India signed MOU with which country for cooperation on Gaganyaan mission? Answer is A. France. We'll see some information related to Gaganyaan. It is originally intended to send astronauts from India to mark 75th anniversary of the country's independence in 2022. However, the mission has been delayed due to the restriction imposed in a view of the coronavirus pandemic. France Space Agency CNES said under the agreement, equipment developed by it, tested and still operating abroad, the International Space Station will be made available to Indian crews. The agreement provides for CNES to support the implementation of a scientific experiment plan on validation missions, exchange information on food packaging and nutrition program, and above all, the use of the French equipment, consumables, and medical instruments by the Indian astronauts. The CNES will also be supplying fireproof carry bags made in France to shield equipment from shocks and radiations. We'll see France capital is Paris. Some of the organization headquartered in Paris are UNESCO and OECD. OECD is an organization for economic cooperation and development. Next, Economist Intelligence Unit in partnership with Facebook has released the Inclusive Internet Index 2021. What is India's rank? India stood 49th in this ranking. We'll see top 5 countries. Sweden is the top. Sweden, United States, Spain, Australia, and Hong Kong. This index measures the extent to which the internet is available and affordable by the region and highlights additional insights into how people around the world are using the web. Headquarters of Economist Intelligence Unit is in London. Next, which Marathi film wins Best Foreign Feature at Moscow Film Fest? Answer is A. Paglia. This is directed by Vinod Sam Peter, and this movie portrays various emotions of the children and their attachment towards something they love. Next, World Wise Day is celebrated on which date? Answer is D. 16th of April. Theme for the same is One World, Many Voices. Next, name the Prime Minister of Haiti who has resigned amidst the violence and political strike. Answer is D. Joseph Jote. Next, who among the following will be the head of the Regulation Review Authority 2.0? Answer is B. M. Rajeshwar Rao. M. Rajeshwar Rao, he is a Deputy Governor of RBI. RBI founded on 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai and Governor is Shaktikant Das. Next, Amazon launches how much venture fund for digitizing SMEs, small and medium enterprises in India? Answer is A. $250 million. Next, which day is observed as a Himachal Day? Answer is B. 15th of April. Himachal's capital is Shimla and Dharmashala. CM is Jairam Thakur and Governor is Bhandaru Dattatreya. Next, Punjab National Bank celebrates its which foundation day on April 12, 2021? It is its 127th. We'll see Punjab National Bank headquarters is in New Delhi and CEO is SS Mallikarjun Rao, and two banks are merged in Punjab National Bank. These are United Bank of India and Oriental Bank of Commerce. Next, who launched the Eat Smart City Challenge and Transport for All Challenge? Answer is C. Hardeep Singh Puri. We'll see some information related to these schemes. Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri today launched the Eat Smart Cities Challenge and Transport for All Challenge through video conferencing. Eat Smart Cities is an opportunity for India to play a pioneering role in developing the concept of integrating food systems into city planning and development to make the right food choices and help build a healthier and happier nation. Next, the Transport for All Challenge aims to bring together cities, citizens groups, and startups to develop solutions that improve public transport to better serve the needs of all citizens. Puri said that COVID 19 has brought the entire world to a halt, with transport being one of the worst hit sector. He added that Transport for All Digital Innovation Challenge will support cities to recover from this mobility crisis. Next, India extends 42.95 million grant assistance to which country? Answer is a B, Nepal. This is for construction of a new school building in Udaipur district of Nepal. Capital of Nepal is a Kathmandu. Currency is a Nepalese rupee. President is a Vidya Devi Bhandari. Next, CSC ties up with which company to set up solar powered micro grids and power pumps? Answer is A, Tata Power. What is CSC? CSC is a Common Services Center. These are physical facilities for delivering government of India's e-services to a rural and a remote locations where availability of the computer and internet is negligible or mostly absent. CSC's MD is Dinesh Tyagi. Next news, ET Money, an investment app, has launched India's first Aadhaar based SIP. SIP is a systematic investment plans payments future in a line with its aim to make investment more seamless and open to widest segment of the Indian society. Mukesh Kalra is a MD, he is a CEO, said that SIPs are ideal for investors who want to automate their monthly investment payment. ET Money, founded in 2015, headquartered in Haryana, CEO is a Mukesh Kalra. Next, which company initiates renewable energy purchases agreement in India? Answer is a D, Facebook. Founder is a Mark Zuckerberg. Next, RBI credit grew by what percent in a financial year ended on March 31st, 2021? Answer is A, 5.56%. Credit means loan given. Loan given by all banks together is grew by 5.56%, and deposit in all banks is grew by 11.4%. Which country has announced to send rover Rashid to moon by 2022? Answer is a D, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Capital is a GVG Krishnamurthy passed away. He was, answer is a B, election commissioner. Recently we saw a new chief election commissioner of India is elected. His name is Sushil Chandra. Next, who has been given 2021 leading women cricketer in the world award by Wisden? Answer is a D, Beth Mooney. She is from Australia. Next, who has been named as a Wisden's leading cricketer of the year for the second consecutive year? Answer is A, Ben Stokes. He is from England. Which corporate group has signed an MOU with Energy Efficiency Services Limited to reduce its overall carbon footprints by implementing clean energy efficiency initiative across its properties? Answer is Oberoi, D. Next, which e-commerce company announced to acquire 100% stake in ClearTrip, one of the oldest travel booking portals in India? Answer is A, Flipkart. Flipkart CEO is a Kalyan Krishnamurthy, founded by Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal, headquartered in Bangalore. Next, which country became the first in the world to introduce a bill that would require banks, insurers, and asset managers to report the impacts of their funding on the effects of the climate change? Answer is a D. New Zealand. Capital of New Zealand is a Wellington and Prime Minister is a Jacinda Ardern. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.